Hi everyone, we're going to continue with adding tens and ones, but we're going to look at a different method today. We're going to look at a written method. So some of you will have liked the column method, but some of you might find this method useful as well. So when we're looking at tens and ones and adding them up, we could draw the tens and ones to help us. So here we have 23. So I've drawn 2 tens and 3 ones. Then I've got 12. So I've drawn 1 10 and 2 ones. Then to get my answer, all I've done is add up my tens and ones. So I've added 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which gives me 35. So a bit like what we do in school with the deans, isn't it? With the tens and ones, we would make 23, we would make 12 and then add them together. So this way, you're drawing them instead. So let's have a go at this one. I want you to draw 34 as tens and ones, draw 13 as tens and ones, add them up, and then that will give you your answer. So write this down, draw your tens and ones to work it out. Pause the video and have a go. So I would draw 30. So I would draw 1, 2, 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I would draw 1 10 and 1, 2, 3. And then to get my answer, I would add 10, 20, 30, 40. So I put my 4 there. Remember, I don't need to write the 0 because that's holding this next number in place, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I would write 7. So this method might be useful if you're not too keen on the column method, or sometimes you might just want to have a different way of doing something. So have a go at this one. Again, draw the tens and ones for each number and then write the answer. So I would write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I've got 5 tens, which is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Then I would draw 1, 2 tens, 1, 2, 3. So and then to find the answer, I would add them all up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I would write 7 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know it is 79. So well done if you did that. Have a go at this one. Draw your tens and ones for each number and then add them up. Are we ready then? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 1. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I'm going to write 8 there. Again, I don't need to do my 0 because it's holding that in place. The only time I need to do a 0 is if I haven't got any ones to add up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer is 85. Hope you're finding that method okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to do these 3 using that method. And then once you've done that, press play and I'll put the answers on. And then there's a few more on the next slide. So write the number sentence out, draw your tens and ones, and then write the answer. Off you go. So for this one, I would do 1, 2, 3, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And I know 1 and 5 makes 6. So I'm not going to draw them for these two because I'm sure you'll have done it. You just want to check the answers. So this one is 39. And this next one is 89. Well done if you did that. So 3 more to do. Pause the video. Again, draw your tens and ones. Off you go. So the answer to this one is 56. This one is 57. This one is 89. Give yourself lots of ticks. Don't forget to send your work on Tapestry because, as I always say, I do look forward to seeing that. Take care, everybody.